Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the pedestal foot on your pedestal. The reason why you might have to do this is because the pedestal foot is either damaged or missing, or when your unit is running, it is causing the unit to shake. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. This is our dryer model. It's a Kenmore. Now keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So the easiest way to get to our pedestal feet is going to be to move our dryer out from the wall a bit, and once you've got the dryer up far enough, you can tip it over nice and carefully and set it down gently. These are our 4 pedestal feet on here. As you can see, the back two have had a couple of issues. They've definitely seen some better days. So I want to replace these because we don't want these feet to scratch up our floors anymore. If you can see this, floor is pretty scratched up because it's metal on wood, and we don't like that. So we're going to replace them with brand new ones that have good rubber coverings on the feet. All you have to do is unscrew it and it comes right off. Same thing with the other one. You can just unscrew it by hand. No need for any tools here. It comes right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement pedestal foot. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And now we can simply screw this back in, again by hand. And you can either screw it in all the way, or if you know about how far the other one was out, you can do that. But either way, you can adjust it later on if you need to. We've got our second one right here. We're just going to screw that on all the way. And there we go. Now we can set our dryer back up. And then after you do that, your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.